Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VIVOBOOK PRO, and in this video I will show you how to use this device as a monitor. So to use this method you'll have to get another laptop or a PC that is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as this one, and once you do have that device you'll have to open the start menu on your ASUS, go to settings, then select system and find optional features right here, click right here and then select view features and search for wireless display feature. You'll find it. Once you find it, just click on the checkbox next to it and click install, and it will take some time, but once it installs you will be able to find it right here on the list of your features. Now, after that, go to the system. Once you install this feature, go to the system, then go to project into this PC, then change this option either to available everywhere or available everywhere on secure networks if your network is secure. And also, if you want to project video to this PC when it's plugged out of the power source, you have to switch this toggle to the left. Once you do that, let's switch to another device. And on another PC, first of all, ensure that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your ASUS. And once you are sure, just press Windows and K buttons at the same time, and in the available displays you should be able to see the laptop. If you don't see it, again ensure that you are connected to the same network. And if you cannot see your device, then maybe you should change the network from 5G to the regular network, because sometimes 5G networks don't work for projection. Okay, then select the display from available displays, connect to it, and then on another device on your ASUS, click OK. After that, the projection will start, and right now we can open any page on this PC. For example, you can stream video. Once I set up my browser, let's open YouTube. And as you can see, as I open this video right here, it is also streamed on our ASUS laptop. As you can see, there is a delay and there are some artifacts, so basically this is not the best option for video streaming, rather for things like presentations or which have more static frames. But as you can see, everything works well. And basically that's it. Now to disconnect, you can either press Windows K on your other device and then select disconnect, or you can close the tab on your ASUS laptop, which I cannot do right now because the streaming was disconnected. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.